Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my okra soup. So here are some ingredients that I'll be needing for this recipe. I'm going to need some goat meat. You can use any meat of your choice: mackerel, shrimp, crayfish. So these are basically all I'll be needing to make this recipe. It's so easy and quick to make, guys. So here I've already washed and cut my goat meat. I'm just going to boil them. Then I'm using a little bit of onion, salt and stock cube to season my meat. I'm going to cook this for about 30 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of water and cover it and allow it to cook for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes it's cooked, but like not fully cooked. It's still hard, but I'm going to take it out from the pot because I'm going to put it in the oven in a bit. So here I'm just boiling my fish and alongside with the shrimp. Took out my goat meat from the pot. Then I'm going to bake this in the oven. You can skip this part if you would choose to. So moving on, I cut my okra into two. I'm just going to blend this, like roughly blend it, because it's it's way easier than using the knife to cut them into pieces. This is like super quick. You see it in a bit. So I use the food processor to blend. So as you can see, it's roughly blended and it's quick, guys. So moving on, I'm going to add a little bit of palm oil, then some onion, then habanero pepper. Don't mind the pepper. I love my food to be spicy, so you can put the pepper depending on your tolerance for pepper, okay? So I'm going to mix everything together with the oil for about 3 to 5 seconds. Then I'm going to add my goat stock. You can add chicken stock, beef stock, whatever animal that you're using, just add the stock there, okay? Alright, so I'm going to stir it. Then I'll add my fish and my shrimp that I already parboiled. It's already cooked now, so just put them together. So you're not going to cover this, guys. So right now the okra soup is already cooked. So I'm basically adding my goat meat. I took it out from the oven. You can see it's like nice and brown. So we're going to put the goat meat, stir it inside, stir it, and your okra soup is ready, guys. It's so easy. I love it to be crunchy. I still like to get some crunch when I'm eating my okra. So you can choose to leave yours for longer, but you're just killing the nutrients. So I like mine like this. So I added a little bit of salt. I didn't add any other seasoning. So the seasoning I use for the goat meat is what I use to make the full pot of soup. So you can taste and see what you're gonna need for your okra. So that's basically all. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. So if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and click on the red subscribe button underneath this video. That button that says subscribe there is on that. So just click on it and you'll be subscribed to my channel. Then you're going to see a bell icon as well. You're going to click on it also, so that way you get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.